Fun with colors! Hi kids, let's draw an aeroplane. Have you seen an aeroplane flying up high in the sky? Let's draw the wings of the aeroplane. And let's draw the eyes. Now, let's draw the windows. And this is the last wing of the aeroplane. Aeroplane is ready. Let's color. Now let's learn colors. Can you tell me which color is this? Right, this is yellow color. Do you know which color is this? Yes, this is green color. This aeroplane is going to be so colorful. Let's put blue color now. This is orange color. Let's put purple color in the corner of the windows. Can you guess which color is this? Correct! This is red color. Do you like drawing and coloring? This is my favorite thing to do. Wow! It looks so colorful. Do you like aeroplanes? The aeroplane is ready to go. For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon.